We are pleased to show you the 2014 Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, exterior entry lights, rear spoiler, roof rails, traction control, stability control, fog lights, power brakes, rear view camera, audio, internet radio, Pandora. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.